Hi everyone, welcome to level 10 of our Business Analyst crash course. In this level, we focus on Agile methodology and team ceremonies. Agile is how modern IT team work, and understanding it is essential for every BA. Okay, very important how Agile works, you have to understand. Okay, let's see why Agile matters here. Agile is all about iterative development, delivering small piece of work quickly and getting feedback. So as a BA, you work closely with developers and testers to make sure requirements are clear, can be implemented in short sprint. Okay. The core Agile ceremony is daily stand-up, sprint planning, review, retro meetings. Okay. So we in the stand-up we share the progress and blockers, provide update what was task or user story you are working on. Planning, we define tasks for the sprint and demonstrate completed work to the stakeholder, discuss improvement, lesson learned from the project, what went well, what didn't go right. So we'll discuss and take action plans here. Okay. The next one, worksheet scenario. Here we'll continue a loan application, or like we'll take some other scenarios, identify team roles, create task sprint backlog, and map ceremonies to the project workflow. This trains to participate effectively in Agile teams. Okay. The tools for BAs, Jira, and Confluence, communication and collaboration. So we'll use Teams for this. Okay. Key points. Agile ensures continuous delivery of value. Ceremonies align the team on goals and priorities. Using tools correctly keeps your work structured and easy to track. These skills are essential for success in IT projects. Okay. So the next step, this is just a one worksheet from level 10. In the full program, students do practical exercise with Jira and Confluence daily. Next level 11, we'll focus on working with stakeholder, which is all about gathering and clarifying requirement directly from the business. Okay, I'll see you in the next time.